एक इश्यू जालो, एक IPS ऑफिसरान खंय करून एक टुरिस्ट आसले तेजे कडेन मिसबिहेव केलो. गोवार चलत आहात.
हांव सगळ्यांसून लेट येयला बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट ओनली. वी वेंट टू फायंड आउट इट इज ट्रू अशें जालां. आनी आय वील स्पीक टू CM ऑल्सो. ताणें एश्युरन्स दिला CMाक, बट ऑफिसर नीड्स टू बी सस्पेंडेड. आमचो हो डिमांड आहा. इट्स नॉट ओन्ली टू रिकॉल हिम बॅक, नीड्स टू बी सस्पेंडेड. जाय जाल्यार ताका चीफ मिनिस्टरान मागला आसतलो एविडन्स. सगळ्या क्लबांनी CCTV कॅमेराज आसता. ही कॅन सी इट इन हिज ओन आय.
ओके, तुमचे कडेन येयल्ले ती कोण ते तुमी इन कॉन्टेक्ट केला जे कोणा कडेन इन्सिडंट
ना कितें आहा, ट्युरिस्ट कम टू गोवा फॉर अ हॉलिडे. ट्युरिस्ट डजंट वॉन्ट हॅसल. ट्युरिस्ट डजंट वॉन्ट टू फायट ओवर हियर. दे कम, they go in restaurants, they go in clubs, they dance, they party, they come as couples, they come as family, and they want to go back nicely. They don't want police complaints, they don't want to fight with anybody. But if somebody is misbehaving with them, it is a very, very serious matter, and the law enforcing agency, आमचे Goa police is looked at highest respect, and we respect Goa police. आमचे जे DGP आहा गोंयचे, SP नॉर्थ आहा, these are all good respected officers. They are doing justice to the people. They are working hard to give justice to the people. You just cannot spoil their name. Nobody can point out fingers. Like आमचा SP नॉर्थ Walsall, he is a perfect upright officer. Nobody can point out fingers to such a good officer. But what has happened in the night club, अशें आनीक एक नायट क्लबानूच तोय गेल्लो. म्हणजे this is the second incident. Another incident has also happened. So we found out everything, and if chief minister needs evidence, I can give it to him.
थापट पडले खंय तेजे, थापट मारले.
Yeah, that is true.
Video
He
evidence
slept, that girl slapped him very badly. And chief minister will have all the things coming to him because he is the head of the state, and he will take appropriate action. And I am very much confident that appropriate action, because he is the highest level officer. तेजे वयर DG आहा. आतां तोच जर ऑफिसर मिसबिहेव करूंक लागले जाल्यार आमचे कॉन्स्टेबलरी स्टाफ आनी दुसरे स्टाफ इट सेट्स एन एग्जाम्पल एंड अ ट्रेंड. तशें जावंक पारना. यू कॅनॉट गो स्कॉट फ्री. यू आर कम फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट ओवर हियर to do effective policing and teach us policing in the state of Goa. Teach our policing, actual policing in the state of Goa, to bring about changes and reforms in the department. But here you are doing otherwise. You are coming to party. He is not.
तो कामाक आसा सर अजून.
He is working. He is the DIG of the state. So immediately, म्हाका दिसता chief minister will take action, and the action is suspension and immediate recall. The center will recall him back. That is Ministry of Home Affairs will recall him back after suspension. चलो तो तुम्ही इन्वेस्टिगेट करा. आणि हे फर्स्ट टाइम जावंक ना. दिस इज द सेकंड नाईट क्लब ही हॅज मिसबिहेव्ड. नॉट एक्सेप्टेड.
सेम प्रोसेस.
Our tourism belt is meant for tourists. Our economy runs on this. Our local boys and girls are working in this industry. There are so many girls, Goans as well as Indians, come from other states of India and work over here in our industry, and they are respected and protected to the highest level. We give them all type of protection. As local police, that is Kalangut police station, also Anjana police station, जे कोण चेडवाक काम करता इंडस्ट्री, whether it is hotel, resort, restaurant, club, night club, spa, तांकां 100% protection आहा. कोण मिसबिहेव करीत जाल्यार तांकां सोमते तो कोण मनीस आहा ताका अरेस्ट. देर इज नो सेकंड थॉट, देर इज नो कॉम्प्रोमायज. सो अशें जेन्ना लॉ एन्फोर्सिंग एजन्सीचो हायस्ट ऑथॉरिटी करता, नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन 100% ते पावला. जे एविडन्स ताका पळोवपाक जाय, एक्शन घेवपाची.